Little Bay is a tranquil seaside village in Westmoreland. Located in the southwesternmost coast of Jamaica, it is neighbor to the resort town of Negril, Orange Hill, Brighton and Broughton. There are many reasons to plan a day trip or a road trip to Little Bay. For one, it is therapeutic and is a nature lover's delight.
Welcome to Little Bay.
Most importantly, access to the Little Bay beach is free to all Jamaicans and tourists alike. Fishing, agriculture, eco and community tourism are the hallmarks of Little Bay, regarded by many tourists as one of the friendliest places in Jamaica. Herbs are in abundance in Little Bay. Two of the prominent ones are Jamaican vervain and periwinkle. According to scientists, vervain has high medicinal and nutraceutical benefits. It is traditionally used in Jamaican folk medicine as a cure for allergies and respiratory conditions, cough, cold, fever, constipation, digestive complications, and for promoting menstruation, among other things. Both pink and white periwinkle are abundant in Little Bay. According to the National Center for Biotechnology Information, periwinkle has been used for treatment of diabetes and high blood pressure. Two of the common anti-cancer drugs derived from periwinkle are vincristine, which works by slowly stopping the growth of cancer cells, and vinblastine, which is a chemotherapy medication. Motorcycles form a part of transportation in Little Bay. The Little Bay Primary School is the pride and joy of the community. In April last year, the school gained the attention of UNICEF after the principal, Karen King, in the heights of the pandemic, went above and beyond, delivering homework via motorbike to students who were unable to get online. The school, which has a 3-year plan to become a self-sufficient institution, has a farm which produces pumpkin, cabbage, callaloo, and other foods which supply its breakfast program for its students. The school also produces its own eggs and chicken. It also provides food for those in need, particularly the elderly. Silk cottonwood trees are common in Westmoreland. A large one lies adjacent to the Little Bay Primary and Infant School. Native to Jamaica, the silk cottonwood tree can grow up to 40 meters. Components of the tree have been used as a diuretic, aphrodisiac, and to treat headaches. A large beetle, the giant metallic wood borer, which lives in cottonwood trees, was spotted going about its business.
Bye-bye.
This here is a cottonwood tree, and it's what the fishermen in the past, some still nowadays, used to make the dugout canoes. Yeah, dating back to the days of the taínos. And it is said that ghosts live at the foot of these trees. Yeah. One of the many cottonwood trees in Little Bay in Westmoreland. Beautiful Little Bay. Yeah. Jamaican Irish moss is rated among the best in the world, and Little Bay is a big source for the seaweed. Irish moss is used in manufacturing to stabilize chocolate milk. It is also used as a thickener in soups and other dairy products. One of its compounds is used to emulsify baked goods and cosmetics. It is also used to clarify beer in some countries. Fishermen who were trained during a climate change project cultivate Irish moss near shore.
Go inside a reef, you get it. So that's how we see the pegget, the backers are the floaters. Keep the ropes high from down in the water after you put a little. So we have at least 6 ropes in land here. So we get you go out and you get a little piece, you just open the rope, stick it in between the rope like so. Like this. So it stays there and grow. After like a 2 months time you can go reap it.
Accommodation in Little Bay is on the rustic side, ranging from homestays to cabins and the guest houses, all with a fabulous view of the sea. According to residents, Bob Marley loved the vibes in Little Bay and spent copious amounts of time at his hideaway there in the 1970s. Bob's natural swimming pool can also be found on the property. So this is the pool where Bob Marley used to swim back in the day. The pool, which emerges from a spring, is considered brackish, meaning it's a mixture of fresh water and salt water.
Wow, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Look at the view. Miss, I can see the view. The view is fantastic.
The structure was destroyed by Hurricane Ivan in 2004.
So you're saying that this was his front porch. This is like the porch.
Bob is said to have written 3 of his hit songs here, according to community members: Rock My Boat, Cold Ground, and Roadblock.
Some people used to come here before Ivan.
Yeah man, tourists used to come and rent the room them and suppose.
There are some reports that there are plans afoot to rebuild the cottage and outfit it with a recording studio and accommodation for artists, integrated into a fully off-grid and self-sufficient community center.